What's up guys, Onyx here. Today we're going to be checking out some wheels from Clairvoyantskateco. These wheels are a limited monthly release, only available on the first of the month. Okay, we got some stickers. Gotta love it when brands and sticker packs. Now let's get to these wheels. Super nice. They actually have red bearings, which in real life is equivalent to some Bones reds. So I find that pretty cool. Here's a closer look at the packaging. Made from recycled skate wheels. You can pause and read this if you like. And this is actually a piece of the wheel that they made the wheels from. Really cool touch. This packaging is really, really phenomenal. Make sure you drop a follow. And that's the wheel that the wheels are made from. I got the small size, which is 7 millimeters. The width is 4.5 millimeters, which is perfect if you ride 29 millimeter decks. Because if you're like me, I don't like overhang. I don't like my wheels to hang past my deck. So for that, you would need wheels that are 4.5 millimeters wide or smaller. But once you get to 5 millimeters wide, then you're gonna have some overhang. Look at the red bearings, really, really cool. These wheels are really nice. So yeah, if you wanna try some recycled skate wheels, definitely check them out.